Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's video. So ultimate summer makeup to me is bright colors, and that is what we're doing today. So if you want to know how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. I want to start off with the lipstick. So I'm taking my Creamy Comfort lip liner 303 from Kiko Milano in this shade. If you can see, this I think might be better. Then I'm taking my sheer lipstick from Kiko Milano in the shade 214 Glossy Dream. That looks like this. And then I just want to go right into the eyeshadow look. And so today for the ultimate summer makeup look, we obviously need bright colors, so I'm doing the Ultimate, I know that's bright, makeup palette, eyeshadow palette from NYX. And we're using a few colors because why not? Why not? So the first color I want to go in with is this very hot pink right here. And I'm going to use a flat brush for this because I want to create a cut crease of sorts. Graphic detailed something. Then I'm just taking a small detailed brush to intensify the line and sharpen it in a few areas. Then I will go in with another flat brush that is clean, and I will take yellow, this one right here, and I don't want it in the inner corner, but I want it on most of my lid. Then I will take the same fleck brush that I used for the yellow, and I will take this blue right here, and I'll put that on my lower lash line. I decided to take a small detail brush and just follow it along the bottom of the pink just to elongate the blue a little bit more. And I want to do the last eyeshadow color for this look, and that is the green glittery one up here, and I want that for the inner corner of my eye, and I will be using my finger for that. And I want to take a really small brush and just put a little bit more of that green in the very inner corner. And so that is the eyeshadow aspect of it, and I just want to put on mascara next. So first I'll curl my lashes. And then I'm taking my Lash Sensational by Maybelline, that looks like this, and I'm putting mascara on the upper lashes only. It doesn't stop there. There's a lot of aspects to this look. So I think first I want to go in with a black eyeliner, and I'm using just a random eyeliner pencil, and I want to put that in the upper waterline. Then I want to take Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 17 Tu-tu-touquoise. That looks like this. And I want to put that in the waterline of my lower lashes. reason why I want to put black on the upper half is because it will intensify my lash line, so it will give the illusion of having false lashes without having false lashes. And the reason why I'm putting blue on the lower waterline is so that I don't have a white line. I have like blue eyeshadow, white line under my eye. Don't want that, so the blue eyeliner makes sense. The last thing I will do is put some setting spray on, and I'm taking Makeup Revolution Base Fix that looks like this and just setting my face. And here you have it, a ultimate summer makeup look. And the reason why I call it ultimate is because it has so many different bright colors. I mean, what is summer without bright colors? Or I mean, life in general. I know some people don't like colors, but then this video obviously isn't for you, so. But yeah, I love it. It's so fun, so summery, and it does... I wish we did more makeup like this for the summertime, because it is sunny outside, it's bright, it's fun, we're happy, we're not depressed because of the weather, unless you live in Norway like I do and you haven't really had summer. But I mean, come on, it's bright colors, it's fun, it's playful, this is what we wanted when we were children, okay? I'm rambling. But yes. And so this is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!